Pull up. Pull up. Hold on, my boy. Hold on. Wait, baby.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we there with a hot one. A hot one, my people. As you can see, Wagwan, my people, Vybz Kartel touched the road last night. And I base it to my people. You don't know me. I beg you to just go and like, share, subscribe on that video here. And you don't know God is the greatest. So we have to give God thanks for life. Alright, my people. When you don't see the video, I can't show the full video, my people. You understand? Because when you don't know the reason I can't show it, I now get my YouTube in a trouble, my people. But my people, wanna think about that? Wanna think about that? Be a sitting, my people. Soon forward.
This election is a serious something. Jamaica is at a crossroads. We have a prime minister who, under his watch, the Integrity Commission Act was passed. Under his watch, the offenses for illicit enrichment were increased. And he is now taking the Integrity Commission to court, seeking declaratory relief from the court, saying that the legislation is ultra-vires, the constitution is unlawful and should be struck down, and that the offense of illicit enrichment for which he is being investigated is unconstitutional. Anything can go so. Nothing can go so. Nothing can go so. Comrades, the country needs a change.
People, don't kill me for the news. Don't kill me for the updates. You don't know when I go political, but me I scroll through and me I see this and me I say, take it to my people and I make them hear what them have to say about it. You understand? So, give me some comments in the comment section, make way. You understand? Talk about that situation and my people. You understand? Alright, my people, and you don't know too much of that now. We're going to jump back on the update of the day. You understand? And don't see what going on, my people. As I telling them, I can't show the full video and them something there. But the video dep on my IG page, and people, Jamaican Chat. And you can go on, you can watch it fully and see what going on. You understand? Bless up. Alright, my people, and you don't see Vybz kartel them the day at the club Mecca. Be a sitting, just like go and vibe a little bit, see what go on. After that, Vybz kartel vibing with Lila I Care. You understand? No, they actually vibing with Lila I Care from before. You understand? So, yeah, my people. That a go on, pan what a go on. And my people, Ding Dong did go and did a live yesterday. This is the first time Ding Dong talk from the whole world dog situation, my people. And I have the live them, my people. And me go drop it for you. Me gonna see what go on at the end. You see me? But people, this is the update I have so far, you know. You don't know me, I go and beg you just like up, share up, bless up. Jamaican Chat. What the below my nose? I'm out.
One Leela.
Tell him now.
Jordan over Fila. Looking back at where the journey began, I have to say that I'm strong.
Yeah. Yeah, my people. Blessed day, you know it, come on. You got all of the praises. I want to stop talk about governor favor me, you know. But I look like governor, you know. Governor look like me, you know. Big up governor, my brother. You see me? Yeah, governor, my brethren. Real brother that in a real life. You see me? Yeah. I know there's something go. You know why someone I talk? I just choose someone never know me when time I hear Kane, you know. You know world ding, you know ding dong. Someone don't know ding dong, you know world ding. So that's why I say them things I can't know when time I hear a Kane. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, Judge, I want to say prayers up for my brother. Bro, world dog, you see me? Prayers up for my bro, world dog. Hey, mama, I'm full it for me, Zane? Yeah? Full it for me, 90. Cash, yeah? Cash. The two up Nina, mama, just press it, man. Yeah. Big vehicle, you know? The roofs, the sunlight, and the thing and something there. Yeah. So, yeah, enough of them don't know about ding dong, them know worlding, so that's why they don't know in time I can't know here and them thing. Remember me, Jolly have the maddest cane road them and them thing about here, you know. Remember that, you know. You see me? So, I say, Jaja Star, before I go in any argument, any talking, see? My people, Sean Sam just released him song. The Return. See? Ding Dong featured on the song. See? You see me? So check it out, go run it up. It's up on him YouTube, it's up on him Vivo. Go load it up right now, you see me? The Return. Sean Storm featuring Ding Dong. See me I deal it? Go check it out now. See? And like over there on song we release. I want to talk about some song we for release and things, see? So when I see the video we go viral with me and World Dog Star in our studio. See? Video go viral me and World Dog in our studio, dog, and man just for that I say look what we gonna do. Now 24 hours in, I'ma come so boom and find the song with World Dog Star and thing. People, they try to shoot the video the same night. But me they have to leave the morning. Yeah, mama, tap it up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Zane? But they try to shoot the video the same night, my people. You see me? But me they have to leave the morning. You see me, I deal with me, they have to leave the morning. So, we shoot the video, we shoot the song night. Do you remember what time of the night we done and post it right away, see me? So, when it comes to boom now and I try lucky in everything, plus Ramesh never there on the ground. In the on the ground, I didn't remember, but we couldn't get for lucky in everything.
12,690.
12,690? See that? That me I try to tell you that's why I can't buy the big vehicle. All this, mama. Keep it change, yeah. I try telling about big vehicle, you know. 12,690 I full up the tank here. And the tank did there. Almost halfway the tank did there. You know. And at 12,600 full it. That me I telling about big vehicle. You see me? Yeah, my people, so when I say the return is out. Sean Storm featuring Ding Dong. Check it out on Sean Storm YouTube. Check it out on him Vivo. They all both. See? They all both. See? Yes, so black to the song now with World Dog, my bro dog. You see me? Just voice the song with the G. And if I try shoot the video the same night though. But we never get everything locked in. So when I cut now, I link the dog and the dog say, yo, I want to shoot the video right now. So I say, hey, what do I go on, dog? It don't make no sense to rush the thing and go shoot the video. When I say I go cut, see me? Because this was what, the Thursday night, Friday morning. Say I'm cutting of the week, but Monday I cut or whatever, you see me? So I say, here we do. here we do them, because I go forward Black Monday, so here we do. Extend the ticket a little bit, and I could just remember forward Black, and we shoot the video one time, bro, you see me? Or, we not have to rush it. You see me? Because I don't know if you're busy or if you have nothing else to do or anything at all. So here what I got now. I'm forward in Black Monday. And you say you're scheduled for cut Monday. So if you're cut, you can forward Black. Quick and fast, I will shoot the video about Friday. I want them to do the Saturday. And the man said, alright, ding. Anything or anything, my G, I'm ready right now, car. Yeah, man, I'm my time, I'm ready right now. I said, alright, kid, do what you do. So him say I go up and forward Black. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm out forward. I think Thursday, I'm set. Confirm. Just go up and get some clothes and something. I say, boy, then, I'm going to have a video with you. If you have any clothes them in the car, you know you're a boy or you stay with clothes. So I'm saying, I'm go up back for some clothes and thing. Come down back for the video. That's a blood clot. Dog. Get the call, say. Dog. That reach the dog, and I say, bumbo cloud, bro. You see me? You see me, dog, and I say, yo, Jajo. It's a sad situation. You see me? Very sad situation, cause with everybody we're involved in, the youth to drop out. I'm not to know what go on within the thing, you see me? But you don't know. Me's a man, me always have the heart, they understand. Condolences. Because I know the youth will drop out, but condolences same way to the youth will drop out, you see me? Sorry for your what reach world dog, and just pray say dog, pull through fast, you see me? Yeah dog. So till me have all the song, we done have all the song. Release already. Mix the song already, Spider mix the song. I know when Spider mix the song. Remember, Spider hear it and called me and said, send me the song and now I'm going to mix it right now. Because I know this have to go out right now. You see me? And when that go on now, I said, blood, bad dog. Water go on. You see me? But try pull it back now. Because you don't know dog. You see me? And then now you have some people that DM me. So that's why I'm forward on the live now for ask my people them want to think. Yo, my DM flood with DM. With the people, them I say, yo, I'm for release the song same way, you see me? Release the song for World Dog and make the people them go TikTok with it and dance. Because World Dog entertain them all the while. So I don't know if them entertain World Dog now.